Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. I know it was a long time ago since I made my last video on the Porsche 996, and yeah, so it's time to show you a few updates or modifications on the car I did. First modification, I replaced the ugly LED headlights and mounted some OEM one. Not new, I found those on the used parts market and they are okay, but they are not perfect. As you can see, burning marks on the inside of the glass, and I want to fix that. And I mounted those rally style headlights. I think they look pretty cool on the car, and yeah. Second modification or third modification are the Fuchs wheels, which I painted, or they are not original ones, but now they look better with the silver ring, and they look way better, I think, compared to the last time I showed the car with the in this video, or in the last video they were full black, and now I think they really fit the car and make the wheels look a little bit bigger than when they are full black. And I found out that the center caps which came with the wheels are original Porsche center caps. Yeah, the rest still original. I mounted 2 new winter tires on the rear axle because they were really not good anymore. And can shut down the car. So, and yeah, that's the, in my opinion, a really mandatory modification. I mounted a plate for an oil pan that it's protected from stones and everything, and you can see it's a really thick plate, and I think this is mandatory if you drive on roads like this. You can see it's very uneven surface, and yeah, this is really mandatory. So let's go for a drive. You can enjoy a little bit the exhaust sound, and let's see what we can find up there, or where this road takes us. Let's go. So guys, with this clip I think we are at the end of this short update on the 996 project. And yeah, next things to come is I will go again to the drift training in Zernetz and test the snow, let's say, or test how good is it on snow, on really deep snow, on snow and ice. And yeah, that's the next video. And for today we are over. I am done. I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked where I drove up. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.